verify. With the software, without, I mean, they'll cut it.
Okay, it's going to start out here a little bit. It's right there. It's on here, we can see where it is. So it's going around that geometry right now.
So it's pretty basic. I mean, see, the nice thing is you can just go right to the finish. You don't have to rough out anything.
No.
That's a nice thing.
And so this is actually going slow right now because it's trying to keep that point right in the center of that arc. So if this arc was a little bit bigger, it actually would go around. And so if we went to like a 40 thou, it would probably cruise around there a little bit better.
Yeah. I mean,
we can jerry the geometry a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
All it is just making it look nice. And if we can cut a lot of time, you know.
How many you can get out?
Right now, it takes